Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Elevate your on-the-go tire care with the Asperex portable tire inflator, engineered from premium materials and powered by a robust 10,000 mAh battery. Designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles, this versatile device delivers up to 160 psi, with precision filling a small car tire in just 1 minute or fully inflating larger tires in 8 minutes. The upgraded high-precision chip and LCD screen display real-time pressure and preset values, while the auto shut-off function prevents overinflation for optimal safety. Beyond tire inflation, Asperex doubles as an emergency power bank for charging digital devices and features a versatile flashlight with 3 modes for low-light situations. The rugged carrying case, crafted from ultra-tough, tear-resistant material with a soft interior and mesh compartment, keeps all accessories organized, ensuring your inflator is always ready for adventure. Experience unparalleled precision and reliability with our A-Premium Door Lock Latch Actuator motor, a cutting-edge solution engineered to enhance your vehicle's security. This actuator is meticulously crafted to work with a wide range of models for rear applications. It also fits front installations on Ford F-150. Additionally, it is suited for front or rear setups on Ford. With part numbers like 746148, 74648, 746149, 746149, 1F7058350, 1F7058360, 1F8058330, 3L3Z25218A43AA, F81Z25218A43AA, ZZR058362. FO1341105, SKDLA31, 1F7058350, 1F88535, 3L3Z252A42AA, F81Z252AA42AA, F88Z16219A64BB, F8RZ8575CA, XF2Z218A42DA, and ZZR058350. This actuator meets the highest standards of performance. Please enter your vehicle information and review special note before ordering. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, product ensures peace of mind every time you hit the road. Revitalize your living space with the Retractable Microfiber Wall Duster, the ultimate solution to banish dust, dirt, and cobwebs from walls, baseboards, and ceilings. Engineered with a flat disc design and high thread count microfiber chenille cloth, it maximizes contact with surfaces for exceptional dust pickup, ensuring a pristine home and improved air quality. Featuring innovative grip and clean, scratch-free technology, this duster glides smoothly across surfaces without leaving marks. A built-in hand strap allows for easy manual use on reachable areas, while its compatibility with standard threaded telescopic poles extends its reach for those hard-to-access spots. The removable microfiber cloth is machine washable for effortless upkeep. For complete high-reach cleaning, pair it with the Retractable dusting kit or cleaning kit, available on Amazon, and transform your cleaning routine with ease. Embrace total vehicle protection with our premium SUV car cover, designed to shield your ride from harsh weather while adding a sleek, modern touch. Engineered with inner seam-sealed PU waterproof tapes and robust windproof straps with fixed buckles, this cover ensures complete defense against heavy rain and strong winds. Convenient mirror pockets enhance fit and functionality, while the striking two-tone design with a silver top and black sides adds a refined aesthetic to your SUV. Crafted from durable 210D polyester, it is wear-resistant, tear-resistant, and smooth, making cleaning as simple as a quick wipe with a damp cloth. Universally designed for SUVs between 2 6-inch and 2 15-inch in length, it comes with a large portable storage bag for effortless storage when not in use. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Illuminate your journey with our high-performance LED light bar, a rugged, versatile solution engineered for the toughest environments. The spot beam, generated by premium LED chips, is bright and concentrated, lighting up dark roads with precision. Advanced heat conduction silicone gel, paired with a redesigned aluminum alloy housing, ensures superior cooling for prolonged operation. Rated IP67, this light bar withstands water immersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes and is dust-proof thanks to its durable die-cast aluminum housing, toughened glass, and stainless steel mounting bracket. A robust side mounting bracket secures the unit, offering quake-proof stability on rugged terrain. Compatible with virtually all Jeeps, 4x4s, cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, ATVs, boats, and more. It's perfect for garden, backyard, backup, off-road, and construction lighting applications. Transform your truck bed storage with these fully retractable bull-ring tie-down anchors, engineered for a flawless fit with Ford rail caps. Designed to snap up and down, they sit flush in your rail cap and optimize space for hauling, towing, moving, or camping. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant materials, these anchors feature a noise-dampening nylon lower body that mirrors the grain and color of Ford rail caps, and a robust stainless steel ring and chassis, rated for a 1,000-pound capacity. Compatible with 1998 to 2014 Ford F-150s and 1998 to 2016 Ford F-250 and F-350 Superduty trucks, with 6 or 8 beds. They work seamlessly with S-hooks and ratchet straps. Installation is quick and effortless. No drilling or special tools required, taking less than 30 seconds. Serviced in the USA and backed by a lifetime no-bull warranty, these anchors deliver enduring performance and peace of mind. Unleash your creativity and capture every angle with the Insta360 X3, a revolutionary 360-degree camera that embodies bold exploration. It comes with a unique set of Insta360 stickers, letting you personalize your gear and express your style wherever you go. Combining 5.7K 360 video with the power of a 4K action cam, the X3 records stunning 360 active HDR footage, while its AI-powered app makes reframing a breeze. Capture wide-angle scenes in maximum resolution with 4K 30fps, or opt for a super-wide 170-degree field of view at 2.7K 60fps with max view. Advanced flow state stabilization and horizon lock algorithms deliver silky smooth videos, and the invisible selfie stick vanishes from your shots for amazing third-person perspectives. Plus, with Me Mode shooting up to 60fps, your creative potential is limitless. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Elevate your truck's functionality with our high-performance side mirror set, designed exclusively for Ford Superduty models from 1999 to 2007. Measuring 16.5 inches when closed and extending to 19.25 inches. These mirrors offer a generous 13x9-inch viewing area for enhanced visibility. A built-in high-intensity amber smoke turn signal on the back ensures you're seen from a distance, adding an extra layer of safety. With power mirror adjustment, you can easily fine-tune the mirror face using your vehicle's factory controls. The integrated heating function effectively melts ice and prevents fogging, ensuring clear vision in adverse weather. Delivered as a pair for both left and right sides, each mirror undergoes rigorous quality and durability testing, promising flawless performance and lasting reliability. Revolutionary approach to interior wall and ceiling texturing with the Homax Tex Pro Wall and Ceiling Sprayer, a cutting-edge alternative to traditional hopper gun systems. Engineered for efficiency, its comfortable, balanced grip and ready-to-use cartridges empower one-person operation, making setup, cleanup, and texture application quick and effortless. With 2 texture formulas, adjustable air pressure settings, and multiple spray tip options, you can achieve a wide range of finishes from light and heavy textures to classic orange peel and knockdown effects. The comprehensive kit includes 2 rear and 2 front nozzle gaskets, an air shutoff valve, 3 spray tips with rubber covers, a cartridge seal cutting tool, a cleaning brush, and a small storage case with spare parts plus an instruction manual. Designed specifically for indoor drywall, the Homax Tex Pro delivers consistent, Professional quality results every time. Step up your towing game with the Airbird Adjustable Trailer Hitch, engineered with a new L-shaped adjustable structure for effortless installation and height adjustment. Forged from a single block of high-strength imported steel combined with premium chrome and cobalt alloys, this hitch is heat-treated for extreme strength and durability while weighing only 38.8 pounds. The 2-inch receiver kit features a patented shock-absorbing design with 1 iron washer and 3 rubber washers to minimize vibration and rattling during towing. Constructed with high-strength forged steel finished with a black carbon steel powder coating, the hitch. A high-quality aluminum anti-theft lock with a silicone rain cap and 2 keys ensures secure installation even in the rain. Machined from superior quality steel for a lifetime of resistance to rust, abrasion, and corrosion, this Airbird trailer hitch is built to deliver lasting performance on every journey. Elevate your leather care routine with our ultimate detailing kit, featuring 9 essential tools to keep your leather looking pristine. This comprehensive set includes a colorless, odorless leather cleaner that penetrates deep to remove dirt and oils, a leather conditioner enriched with vitamin E and a subtle leather scent to restore and protect, and a leather quick detailer to maintain that factory fresh shine. Enhance application with microfiber applicators and achieve powerful scrubbing with a horsehair brush. Perfect for everything from car seats and interiors to jackets, shoes, boots, couches, purses, and bags, this kit is indispensable for any leather enthusiast. Developed by chemical guys and trusted by professional detailers, it offers exceptional value and lasting performance for your prized leather items.